justice. Kuya, what did you say? May excited. Sino kayang excited?
Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Rafi, your mother hustler.
Yun nga, nabuksan na natin itong taas and let's see what's inside. Alam niyo naman, #momlife. Kaya marami munang dapat asikasuhin bago vlogging. Ito na. Yan! Nauna palang box, ano lang siya for delivery. Pero yung mismong item, may box pa sa loob. Okay, so ang bigat niya. Okay, dahan-dahan. Ito na guys. Okay, thank you daddy. Ayan. So, okay, so ganito pala siya. Yan. Pag nilagay niyo yung ingredients, pwede niyo siyang i-time. And kapag, according to the timer, doon na mismo sa loob yung kneading process. Tapos, automatic, doon na rin makakapagluto. And then, pagbukas, tapos na. Isa na siyang 1.5 pound or 2 pounds loaf of bread. Yan. The reason why I had been praying for this is because lumaki ako sa household na may panaderya, may bakery. So, alam ko yung sarap ng amoy ng bagong lutong tinapay. Gusto kong ma-achieve yun. And unfortunately, busy tayo, di ba? #momlife. Kaya, minsan hanggang pangarap na lang yun, hanggang tasty na lang mula sa, ibibili na lang sa labas. But now, teka, wait. Uy. This is a dream come true for me. Dahil dito, ma-achieve ko na siya. So, later, I'm also going to show you yung mismong pagbe-bake. Okay, so bubuksan na natin ha. Yan. Yan, may instruction manual. So, malaki pala siya talaga. Okay, so sakto talaga isang loaf of bread. Daddy, patulong ha. Okay. Okay, thank you. Wow, it's so big and so nice. Ay, ang ganda. Mas maganda pa sa cellphone ko. Shiny and glossy. Okay. Kasintangkad halos na isang cereal box na malaki. And also, ganun din kalapad. It's taller and bulkier than your usual rice cooker. Yan. Okay? So, nakalagay dito yung mga basic instructions. Basic French, whole wheat, quick, sweet, ultra fast 2, dough, gluten-free. Wow, may gluten-free pwede. So, cake pwede din. Sandwich, jam, yogurt, bake. Wow, ang dami pwedeng gawin sa kanya. Okay, opening it now. So, yung insides niya, makita nyo, parang yung loob din ng rice cooker, no? Okay. What else? Okay. So, meron din siyang kasamang pang-measure. I'm gonna open this. So, with it comes measuring spoons, measuring cup, and then, I think it's for the kneading as well. Yay! Up tayo sa loob. Ayan. Diyan lalagay yung mixture. Yan na rin yung magni-knead. And then, diyan na mismo din magte-take shape yung loaf or yung bread. Nabuksan na natin. Thank you very much again, Miss Paula. So, I am going to show how we actually use it for the first time. Okay? So, we are going to use it siguro to bake just a simple, tasty bread. Okay? Kuya, what did you say?
It says bread, look. Here.
It says bread. How is it? Oh, you put the yeast in the middle. It must be in the middle, okay?
Here.
Okay. Oh, careful. Just the middle. Just the middle. Good. Thank you. Okay. How does it feel?
What?
Ganyan lang. Baking must be exact. Otherwise, it won't happen.
Just lay it down.
Oh, okay. We have to. Can you close it? Carefully.
Oh.
Oh. There you go. Okay, so we changed the setting to half a pound. So 2 hours and 53 minutes. Okay, so let's see. Oh. And it says on the instructions, wet ingredients first and then dry ingredients and then the yeast. Can press start now, kuya. Press this one. Matagal. Matagal. That's it.
So it's mixing inside now?
Let me see it,
We'll
Mommy.
see. Yeah, it's mixing.
Why is it going up?
You cannot see?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Oh, so matagal pa yan, ah. That's why it's important to put it on delay kasi it takes a long time. It will knead first before it
Wait,
cooks.
Mommy. That looks like crispy bread in Wolf's house.
What? It looks like crispy bread in Wawa's house?
Yeah.
Alright, so a few minutes into the timer, schedule na siya for rice. Okay, so it's proofing the dough para umalsa siya. Exciting! Update! So, lumipas na ang almost 45 minutes. Pag naka-rice mode siya, naka-off yung makina. It just lets the dough rise. Tapos mamaya na siya mag-on ulit when it bakes.
A few moments later.
Ay, may excited. Sino kayang excited?
You can smell it. You can smell it from here.
Huwag mong hawakan ng hawakan at umiinit na yan.
Here, you can smell it.
Ay, oo nga. Okay, so by the last remaining hour, yan, it switched to bake. Yan na. So, it's starting. Starting to bake. Okay, so, tapos na siya. Kaya lang, when you check, it's too light for me. So, what I'm gonna do is, I'm going to bake it some more. Ito
Can I
na.
go up?
Of course.
I cannot go up. Mommy.
Better color. Huh?
I cannot
Can it go up? Yeah, look! What is that?
Nothing.
Nothing! It's bread!
Daddy. Daddy, look. I'm hungry.
Can I have this, kuya? We have to remove this.
Daddy, let me help
Yeah.
you.
Can you remove it? You have to remove the kneading.
This one?
Yeah. Pull it out. Okay. Mukhang masarap!
I'm gonna do it,
Mukhang
Mommy.
masarap! Oo, it's hot.
I'm gonna hold it, Mommy, with the gloves.
Okay. Doing it.
No cutting it. Wow. Yummy.
Oh.
Opened.
It worked! It's yummy!
No, it's not.
Oh, you try. It's
No.
not. Init ah. Sarap, daddy. Yes! Yes! Success! Success!
I want this.
One. Okay. Yay! Thank you! Oh, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!